there guys, this is Tracey here and welcome back to Toy Broadway. And today I wanted to share with you this exciting red toy London bus. And it's a double-decker. So it's time to unbox. Here we go. Oh wow guys, it looks so cool. And let's just unclip it from underneath. Oh wow, and here we are. It has the word London here and here, and it has a Union Jack on here and here. Let's check out the lights and sounds. Let's check that one out again. So cool. Let's try another button. Let's try that one again. That's awesome. Okay, let's try another button. Ooh. Oh, I didn't expect it to do that. Whew. And I wonder what this button does.
All aboard! All aboard! All aboard!
Let's check that one out again.
Aboard. All aboard!
That's so cool. Woo! And it's off. This button's my favourite. Be sure to like this video then guys and share with all of your friends. Shortly some boxes will appear. Tap on any of those boxes to continue watching.